nipping at the switch, Your Honor. We tried. Let me direct you to the bottom of page 2 of this report. So these words, the last paragraph. On January, from using their exemplar hair boards and their 2 blue-black fiber boards. Prejudice, it is clear from the photos. Your Honor, I stand before you today in a very, very serious, perhaps the most egregious, outrageous thing that's happened in this trial thus far. Excuse me one second. All right. And it's information, Your Honor, that's prejudicial to Mr. Simpson. And this is all, make no mistake about it, this is about Mr. Simpson. This is about whether Mr. Simpson can receive a fair trial. This is about a trial that started on September 26th, Your Honor, and you've gone out of your way to try to give us a fair trial. And to have this occur when we know we're coming to the end, when you have made it abundantly clear you don't want delays, that you want to move this on, when you warned all of us there'll be preclusion if we don't comply with the laws. And we have seen the sanctimonious, pious posturing by the prosecution so many times in this case.
When was it completed?
Sometime this year, I don't recall.
They've been denied nothing. There has never been a defendant in the history of this state, I warrant, that has had everybody bend over backwards for him the way this one has.
What was K, a known here, and made it a Q. So you see Q7.
So this report tells me how relatively few Ford Bronco automobiles there could possibly be that would, registered in the county of Los Angeles, that would have this carpet fiber, this particular formula and this particular color. And that's very compelling circumstantial evidence.
Many different sources. And just again, to briefly summarize the conversation that Deedrick had with Blazer, so you get an point. But I'm going to cite you Ito on the law. Ito on the law in this case. And it says, if it comes to pass that their reports are conclusions which were reached and there was a deliberate manipulation of the process.
If the court feels that we have been remiss, then I would urge the court to penalize us personally, or myself personally. But please don't penalize the proof of the case. That's something that they have to tell us. And with respect to the photographs, what benefit would they have had to see the photographs